Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send an email using the Gmail app on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you haven't already, sign into your Gmail account. To switch accounts, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and choose the account you want to use. Next, tap the Compose button in the bottom right corner. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address or select one of your saved contacts. Now tap the Subject field and enter a subject for your email. Then type your message in the main body of the email. If you want to attach a file, tap the paperclip icon at the top of the screen. From there, you can attach a file, insert a photo, or add a file from Google Drive. You can also tap the three-dot menu to save the email as a draft or schedule it to send later. When you're ready, tap the Send button in the top right corner. Your email will be sent immediately. And that's it. That's how you can send an email in Gmail on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.